What's going on, guys? It's your boy Leroyce Hall. Yeah, none of y'all know me because I don't post on YouTube a lot like I should, but I'm going to start posting on here more often. If you want to know what camera I'm shooting this video on, it is the Samsung 10 Plus. Yes, Team Droid in the building. But yeah, just wanted to make this video to show you guys the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9. So before I unbox and reveal this beautiful creation, that's what we're gonna call it, I just want to share a quick story. So on my birthday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, I went ahead and bought me the GoPro Hero 8, and I was in love with this thing. The only GoPro I had before then was the first generation, and it was shaky. I couldn't see what I was recording. There were so many cons with this thing, but then when I had the 8, it was like, wow, everything has changed. It had the stabilization. It was so much smoother. It was so much better. I could record in 4K. And the reason why I love the GoPro is because I'm on my jet ski a lot. Every Sunday I go ride my jet ski. And with that, so yesterday, man, I studied for a whole week. I studied, how to perfect, the settings when you mount your camera onto your jet ski. I watched a lot of different YouTube videos. Well, I did all that, right? And then I applied what I learned yesterday when I went out to ride my jet ski. And I mean, I had the perfect footage. We were out there for hours. I had about 3 hours of incredible footage, the scenery, the rides, jumping waves, everything you could possibly imagine. However, when I was about to leave and go dock my jet ski, I decided, you know what, I'm going to jump one more big wave. And I hit the wave, boom. And then I wasn't thinking at the time, but I heard something hit my jet ski. It just sound like, like a rock hit my jet ski. And I was wondering what it was. I was wondering, did I hit something? Did something fly off and hit my jet ski? But I wasn't even thinking. And then all of a sudden, as I'm docking my boat, I'm just touching. First off, before I start with that part, let me show y'all what I have. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you all the equipment that I have for my GoPro. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. All right, so here's all the attachments that I have for my GoPro. Like, I'm like trying to be serious about this thing. I got the Jetski. I just got this. This is incredible. I got the waterproof mount, even though, look at that, it chipped off. This plastic is very cheap. I got the head mount, not my favorite. I have this little tripod. I have this, which gives me some incredible footage on my jet ski. Just the view on that is amazing. I got the floaty. We're going to get to this portion in a little bit. Look, and even this broke off, man. This thing is just breaking left and right. So that explains it. Look, I didn't even know this broke, and I paid a lot of money for that port. But yeah, you can see I'm very well equipped. Even this one has broke off. I think GoPro needs to do a better job at their material. It's kind of plastic and cheap. So 3 of these have broken off, which I can see now, which is probably what happened. I have all this equipment, and just to give you guys some incredible footage on my jet ski, don't worry, I'm going to put a video together. If you haven't already, I have a video up of me riding. It's just me, no music behind it, but just so you can see some live action. But anyway, so I went ahead and I wanted to hit one more wave. And when I hit that wave, I heard something hit my jet ski. It sounded like someone threw a bottle or rock or something at my jet ski. Didn't think anything of it. Then as I'm docking my jet ski, I start feeling my chest. I start feeling my handlebar. I start feeling the front mount. Looking at all my different compartments. And then it finally hits me that my GoPro 8 has fell in Austin Lake. Guys, I was so hurt. I was so freaking hurt. I mean, in reality, these are just things and you can replace them. Obviously, I replaced mine. But the fact that I had all this footage that I had studied and recorded, and I was so excited to share with you guys. I have to do this all over again, and it's October, but the good thing is we live in Texas, and it's gonna be hot again on Saturday or Sunday. So I'm going out there again, but this time I'm recording with this bad boy right here, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm super excited. I wanted to get this camera either way, but I just wasn't expecting to get it so soon. So what I'm about to do right now is go ahead and unveil this bad boy and see what it's all about. And you ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't even snap with mine. Let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, we're about to take this part off. Now I'm doing all this with one hand, so don't mind me. I'm actually excited that this came with the case, which is pretty sweet because get this thing off. See, it comes with the case. I had to buy this case, which is like I think $20 or something. I don't know. It's long, but overall I'm gonna have 2 cases now. I'm a little sad that this y'all seen a little bit. I'm not gonna spoil it. So let's unzip it. Hold up. Alright, so let's reveal it. I had to put it down to unzip it. Can't do that with one hand. Oh my god. Here she is. Dang. This is nice. So they put it in here really nice. Ooh. Feels nice and warm, like someone's used it already. So I love that fact that the screen's on there, so I can see, you know, when I'm vlogging or whatever, what I'm actually looking at, because sometimes it's hard to predict that, along with the back screen, which is pretty amazing. I hear you can remove the lens, so I play with that. Comes with the charger, which I needed. I lost my other one. Another mount, which I needed. Put on. Dang, I'm getting so many mounts. And they give you one freaking battery. So I live in San Antonio, so I gotta go find me another battery pack like that. As you can see, I'm a little upset because I bought, well, at least bought 3 batteries, and they're not the same size. The 9 is way bigger than the 8. Look at this. This was this little battery that they used to have. Now the 9 is a bigger battery, so hopefully that means more battery life. That's gonna be pretty awesome. This is a lot better, I think. Yeah, hopefully this is a lot sturdier, because my little thing's been breaking off left and right. I gotta figure out how it fell off my jet ski. So I got another mount, which is gonna come in handy, but this is what we're talking about right now. I'm gonna get this thing set up. Just really want to do the unboxing. We got some cool stuff in here from GoPro. All the stuff I already know how to do, because I just did this not too long ago. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up so y'all won't be distracted by my mess. But the GoPro is here, GoPro 9 in my hand, so we're about to get this thing going and get it started, and let's see what's different, what's cool about it. Bye. Alright, so I went ahead and opened the battery compartment. One thing I'm sad about is I did buy a nice expensive memory card that has 128 gigabytes, and that doesn't have this with here. So I'm gonna have to get a whole nother memory card in order to get this thing started. You got Zayda in the building. She just got back from grandma's house. Daddy's been at work all day.
Oh, grandma and grandpa's house.
Oh, grandma and grandpa. Get it correct, boo boo. So I put the battery in there. Yeah. So. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. I heard the beep.
Daddy, I don't know.
Oh, it's on.
I don't know why I'm keep in your video.
Let's see.
I don't know why I'm always in your video.
Oh, are you always in my video? Because you're amazing. Alright, so I just want to see this front screen, see what this looks like, get some action.
Guys, do you remember my cooking shows?
We gotta post your cooking shows, baby.
I know.
That's gonna be on your channel. We're gonna have Zayda's channel. Make sure y'all subscribe.
Guys, I have a lot of channels, guys. I have a lot.
You have a lot. We have a lot of videos for you that we need to post. Like a horrible dad.
Last time we went to Disney.
I still gotta post her Disney video.
And you
Alright.
post all my videos.
on, Zeta. Let me get this. Yes, on. Install the app. Already got the app. Leave your camera. Follow the app instructions. Alright, guys, I gotta let you go. But you seen the unboxing of the Hero, the GoPro 9. I'm gonna get this started. Get it going. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to see some more videos, I'm gonna post some Jetski videos. Zeta's video. I'm also gonna be posting. I sell cars. Hold on, baby. Hold on. I'm also gonna be posting some videos of the brand new 2021 Yukon Denali. I sell cars as well, so I think I'm just gonna be using this GoPro a lot for a lot of things, not just Jetski.
Go to the lake.
Well, yeah, I use it when I go to the lake, but I'm gonna use it for a lot of different things. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and
And guys, I'll show you my new fidget spinner.
she's got a fidget.
Not this is called fidget, it's called a fidget spinner.
Yeah, whatever she said. All right, peace.